Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BASIP. Welcome to the Business Advisory Services Training Package overview. I hope you've enjoyed the commencement of your Business Advisory Services journey as you've reviewed Module 1, Introduction to Business Advisory Services. I would now like to invite you to join with me in a special review of modules 2 to 11 within the Introduction to Business Advisory Services modules. I hope that you enjoy this presentation. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. So I've now just gone on to the ESS BASIP website. This is the BASIP training package, and you can access that video recording. We then have a list of the names of the other modules, modules 2 to 11. They each contain a training package. So what I'd like to show you first of all is the 11 steps to implement business advisory services that we have within the system. And we're able to show you the contents of each module. You've already been to Module 1, Introduction to Business Advisory Services. In Module 2, we look at things like a balanced scorecard, SWOT analysis, the foundation work, look at what the CFO's role is in a public company and how much of that job really does adapt to a small, medium enterprise. And we look at some of the future services that you could offer your clients. In Module 3, we look at team training. The team is very important. I honestly believe that a lot of the work to do with business advisory services can be delivered by managers and younger accountants, but they'll need some special training. So we have introduced that training program into this Module 3. We have an overview of the key characteristics of product champions and industry champions, and we discuss mentors for these people. In Module 4, we're going to look at leadership. There's 8 steps to introduce change. There's leadership for facilitation surveys and a leadership article to guide you through leadership. Within the products, we have 8 modules on leadership. If you hopefully continue to subscribe for either the total ESS BASIP package or individual packages, in which case you might care to look at products which contains the leadership material. SME Needs Analysis is a very important document, and we will be spending time on Module 5 in overviewing the use of the SME Needs Analysis. It's like a menu of services that introduces you to a range of the products and services that are available within ESS BASIP. Marketing is important, and we've devoted a full module for marketing strategies for the delivery of business advisory services. So there's a checklist of the key components of a marketing plan for business advisory services. And there's some successful marketing hints, a conversion rate technique and tactics article. Step 7 is a very important module because this is the review of products and services. So we look at the gold, silver, bronze packages, and then we introduce you to the individual products that are contained within ESS BASIP. Debtors management, SME debtors management, the personal property securities register due diligence review, chief financial officer services, business evaluation workshop, cash flow management, budgets and cash flow forecasts, succession planning, strategic business mentoring, business plans, buying a business, selling a business, grants for SMEs, and business health checks. And the business health checks are available for 5 different industries. By the end of May, we are planning to introduce 2 new products, crowdfunding equity raising companies, including capital preparedness to raise, and early stage innovation companies, including investment readiness. These are in response to the federal government's new legislation, which hopefully in the next couple of weeks will receive the royal assent. And by the end of June, we're planning to have a research and development product module. We continually prepare new product modules, and for the remainder of this calendar year, we'll prepare 1 or 2 more products, and next year we'll be preparing another 4. So there's plenty of products in the pipeline for you to deliver. Step 8 is the Module 8, which is the planning seminar to launch business advisory services. Our recommendation is that you launch business advisory services through a series of small webinars, no more than 10 client firms represented at a seminar. The reason is by having a small intimate group, having the key people from your organisation who are going to be involved in business advisory services enables some very close conversations to be held, which we're recommending you then follow up with one-on-one meetings within 1 week later, so that you can clearly understand the type of services your clients want. Be selective in inviting people to attend at least the initial seminars. Make sure they're A-class clients and clients who are receptive to new ideas and new systems. And in particular, if you've had any of your clients asking you for any of these services over the last few years, make sure you invite them. The reason we don't want you to have too many clients at a seminar is that the last thing you want is to be embarrassed by receiving too many work briefs in too short a period. This is not taxation work. Clients have learnt to wait patiently for tax work, but they're not as patient when it comes to consulting work. And in this way, if you do happen to get a 30 to 40% uptake from the 10 clients that are present, and that is not unheard of, then you'll be able to program the work and get it done basically before the next seminar. And whilst you're going through this seminar program, so I envisage you'd be presenting 6, maybe 7 webinars in a 12-month period. It also enables you to introduce the new products or services that your team are progressively coming to grips with. So we believe it's a great way to get started. Selling business advisory services. Selling is very important. This is not the sort of work that the client has got the traditional relationship with you as they do for income tax. This is new work, and therefore there's going to be a marketing component of making sure your clients understand that you are involved in more than annual accounts and tax returns. You are going to have to prepare a submission to them, but you then need to introduce some sales tactics, professional selling tactics, and ask for the order. And then obviously deliver on the proposal that you've made to the client. So we have a module on selling business advisory services, which is based on work provided by some sales consultants who have worked in the accounting industry. The one-on-one meeting is important because this is the meeting that we're suggesting you follow up with your client after the seminar. You would sit down with the SME Needs Analysis and work through it. Supply to your client the SME Needs Analysis as soon as possible after the seminar. So the clients had the opportunity to sit down and have some quality time thinking about some of the questions and issues that you've raised, because you want the client to have made some notes, to have committed themselves, to turn up at that meeting with their mind completely in gear. They're ready to go. And that way you will have a very productive one-on-one meeting. And I honestly believe in a significant number you will receive encouragement to proceed with formal proposals to those clients. Step 11 is the implementation of business advisory services for your clients. This is the module to bring it all to a conclusion. We do a brief review of each of the modules that you've worked your way through. We summarize the how do you get started concept to deliver business advisory services. We have a very special article, How to Overcome Perceived Objections. I suspect that some accountants do perceive there's going to be objections because people have raised that question with me. But when I asked as a client actually rang them and objected to whether the firm has got the necessary skills, I don't really get a positive response that that's happened. I think it's more in anticipation. Well, let's get on the front foot. Let's be positive. I urge you to read that particular article. If you want to have a discussion with me, please ring me. And then look the client in the eye and indicate to your client that you have gone through the preparation process. You have invested time and money to get your team ready, and that you are very confident that you can deliver an outstanding business advisory services package to your clients. And it's worth repeating that every accountant in Australia goes to university. The university courses within that university are the same. When an accountant goes and undertakes the Institute of Chartered Accountants, PY, or the CPA's entrance exams, or the Institute of Accountants entrance exams, there is no distinction made as to whether an accountant works for BHP, the federal government, a state government, Woolworths, Coles, or a public accounting firm. Everyone is trained the same way. And you have now undertaken some specific training to understand the issues that are confronting small, medium enterprises. And you are responding in a very positive manner to the comments that have been made in quite a number of surveys by very reputable organisations as to what the small, medium enterprise market wants. So that's what we've got for you to work through, hopefully over the next 11 or 12 weeks. Please allocate about a 3-month period. Allocate up to 2 hours a week for the team that's going to be involved in business advisory services to come together. Appoint a facilitator to help you on this journey. And now I have a special announcement for you. At ESS BIZTOOLS, we are totally committed to helping accountants be able to deliver an outstanding business advisory services package. So we're offering modules 2 to 11, a special lifetime subscription of $99 to you, and that price includes GST. You could obtain this product by subscribing to our Gold package if you wish, and that is an upfront subscription of $2,970 including GST. But if you just want to subscribe to these modules, you've already got module 1, we gave you that for free. Modules 2 to 11, we were going to charge substantially more, but we've decided to launch this product for $99 because we are making a strong commitment to the Australian accounting profession. We really want to help you get into the supply of business advisory services by having the right foundation from the very beginning. And obviously we believe that right foundation is very, very important. The Accounting Market Pulse that was commissioned by the Commonwealth Bank has predicted that business advisory services and management consulting are going to be the two big products for accountants in this next 12 months. We are committed to helping our accountant colleagues to be able to get ready, do the preparation, lay the foundations, and then we have a range of products that we would like you to look at so that you can start offering a wide range of products to your clients. So to access our special offer, just click on to http://GOO/GL/OFPKOX. Sorry, at the end it should be QFPKOX. Now what we're going to do is send you an email that's got a link, so you don't have to really remember that subscription code. We'll send you that email in the next 24 hours, but we would really welcome you as a subscriber to the ESS BASIP modules 2 to 11. You've already got 1, 2 to 11. We will be offering you an invitation to attend 3 webinars as you work your way through modules 2 to 11, and we will notify you when those group webinars are going to be presented so that you will be able to join other firms that are on this journey with you. Your name will not be disclosed to anyone else, but there will be other people participating in those free webinars. If you want to hire us for a more personal discussion relative to issues within your firm or your clients, we are more than happy to talk to you about that. So thank you very much for taking this first step on this journey towards business advisory services. We are quite happy to work with you and assist you in any way that we can. I look forward to welcoming each and every one of you as a subscriber to ESS BIZTOOLS. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.